Assalamualaikum to our FAR560 lecturer, Madam Siti Fatimah Noor binti Muhammad Minhad, and to everyone who's watching this video. In this video, we would like to present about our finding from annual report of the company that involved in extractive activities. First of all, I represent my group member, would like to thank our lecturer, Madam Fatimah, for her guidance in assisting us to complete this group project. Let us start by introducing ourselves first.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sharifah Sarah binti Zaid Harmaisyah.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Nur Hidayu binti Rosli.
Hi, my name is Amira Farahana binti Ahmad Rizal.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aifa Akmal binti Ahmad Azian.
This is one of the company that involved in extractive activity, which is Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto business is finding, mining, and processing mineral resources. And its major products are aluminium, copper, diamonds, gold, industrial minerals, which is borates, titanium dioxide and salt, iron ore, and uranium. Rio Tinto activities span the world and are strongly represented in Australia and North America, with significant businesses also in Asia, Europe, Africa, and South America. The next company that involved in extractive activities is MSC Berhad. MSC Berhad is Malaysia Smelting Corporation Berhad, which is a Malaysia-based investment holding company. The MXC Group is currently one of the world's leading integrated producer of tin metal and tin-based products and a global leader in custom tin smelting. The group's existing custom smelting facility in Butterworth is one of the world's largest, and since its inception in 1902, has been supplying the world with the MSC straight refined tin brand, which is registered at LME. London Metal Exchange and KLTM, Kuala Lumpur Tin Market. The brand is accepted worldwide and has purities ranging from the standard grade A 99.85% to the premium grade electrolytic tin 99.99%. In 2018, the group produced 27,085 tons of tin metal, thus sustaining its global position as the third largest supplier of tin metal.
The differences between Rio Tinto and MSC Berhad. The accounting policy used by MSC Berhad is Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard (MFRS). For Rio Tinto, they are using Australian Accounting Standard AAS and International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS. The accounting principle for MSC Berhad is going concern. For Rio Tinto is historical cost. The currency using in financial statement for MSC Berhad is Ringgit Malaysia, and all the value are rounded to the nearest thousand. For the Rio Tinto, they are using US dollar. The method are used in extractive operation is for MSC Berhad, they are using area of interest method, which is mine exploitation and evaluation expenditure incurred for a new area of interest are accumulated in respect of each identifiable area of interest. These costs are only carried forward to the extent that they are expected to be recalled through the successful development of the area where the activity have not yet reached a stage that permit a reasonable assessment of the existence of economically recoverable or resources and resources. Next, for Rio Tinto, they are using expenses method, which is exploitation expenditure related to the initial search for deposit with economic potential. Expenditure on exploitation activity undertaken by the group is not capitalized. The similarities between Rio Tinto and MSC Berhad. First, both company has year ending of 12-month period. Next, both company has subsidiaries and joint venture. Lastly, both company has acquisition of an investment in associate. I will pass to Amira Farhana to the next slide.
This is the disclosure financial statement of Rio Tinto Corporation. Rio Tinto's management structure is based on the principal product groups in the table below. The CEO of Rio Tinto monitors the performance of each product group based on a number of measures. As you can see here, consolidated sales revenue is 40,522 million US dollar. In notes, gross sales revenue includes total product group, which is 42,850 million US dollar. Since the item excluded from underlying earnings is zero, so we get the remaining gross sales revenue, 2,313 million US dollar. Shares of equity accounted unit sales are not included in consolidated sales revenue. Capital expenditure for reportable segments comprise the net cash flow on purchases less disposals of property, plant and equipment, capitalized evaluation costs, and purchase less disposal of other intangible assets. The details provided include 100% of subsidiaries' capital expenditure and Rio Tinto's share of capital expenditure of joint operations and equity accounted unit. Therefore, the total capital expenditure included is 5,430 million US dollar. There is exploration and evaluation cost included in group income statement. The exploration and evaluation cost net of any gains and losses on disposal generated a net loss before tax of 210 million US dollar. Exploration and evaluation cost included is 488 million US dollar. There is provision for retirement benefits in the Rio Tinto. Provision is made by a charge to operating expenses each year, and yearly provisions are carried forward as a liability in the balance sheet. As you can see here, there are two different of liability. The first one is current and the second one is non-current. The amount of current liability for provision including post-retirement benefits is 1,056 million US dollar, while for non-current liability for provision including post-retirement benefits is 12,552 million US dollar. The value of the group's liabilities for post-retirement benefits will ultimately depend on the amount of benefits paid out. That's all from me. Next section will be presented by Sharifah Sarah.
Okay, thank you Amira Farhana. Next we go to next slide, which is financial statement of Malaysia Smelting Corporation Berhad. Okay, first take a look of the item revenue, which is from statement of profit or loss for the financial year ended 31st December 2018. The total amount in 2018, which is 1,280,906. As you can see from the notes to the financial statement, there are the details of the revenue, which is the major product or service by the company, which is by tin smelting and tin mining. So the subtotal will be 1,464,452 minus with elimination or adjustment, which is 183,546. So the total amount will be 1,280,906. Okay, next, in the statement of profit or loss for the financial year ended 31st December 2018, under item expenses, which is cost of tin mining and smelting, the total amount is 1,132,466. As you can also see from the notes to the financial statement, which is the cost of tin mining and smelting include cost of purchase, production costs, which is other than employee benefits, expenses, depreciation and amortization, and other related costs. Okay, next, in the statement of cash flows for the financial year ended 31st December 2018, under item investing activities, which is payment for deferred mine and exploration and evaluation expenditure and mine properties, which is amounting of 642. As you can see from the notes to the financial statement, deferred mine exploration and evaluation expenditure and mine properties represent expenditure incurred on several areas of interest. The costs are only carried forward to the extent that they are expected to be recovered through the successful development of the area, or where activities in the area have not yet reached a stage that permits a reasonable assessment of the existence of economical recoverable or reserves and resources. Okay, next is the provision. Provision is made by a charge to operating expenses each year, and the yearly provisions are carried forward as a liability in the balance sheet. As we can see in the notes to the financial statement, which is current and non-current. The current will be carried forward in the statement of the financial position under current liability as provision amounting 2,744, while non-current will be carried forward in the statement of financial position under non-current liabilities as a provision amounting 26,164. As we can see, notes to the financial statement is very important when to make financial statement. It is to further clarify accounting procedure used by a company, as well as to disclose information that has occurred during and immediately after the close of the accounting period. So that's all from us. Thank you.